Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the last 3-in-1 set which I unboxed in front of you. So this will be actually my first build video ever for Lego. So let's go to the build and then let's see how you like it. So guys, how do you like my build video? I have two other build videos from the same set. One of them is the Osprey, the mini Osprey, and the other one is the amphibian. So if you like my build, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and see you in the next build.